Was he the only black guy in the area of all these people in her
Yes.
circle?
Man, the prosecutor's opening statement was along the lines of, usually at night people lock, I can't remember verbatim, but he was like, usually at night people lock their doors when they're, sleeping safely inside their home. And the reason that they do that is to keep away from people that are out prowling, like Michael Jackson Bolanos. Like, the prosecution attempted to paint him in such a poor light. They really tried to make him out to be something that he obviously is not, and they tried to make it sound like he was, they tried to press that premeditation thing. He went into her house and attacked her, and she was surprised by someone being in her house. Like, all of these, the prosecution's opening statement went so far against the evidence that we knew they were going to be able to show, because they had absolutely no evidence of him being in the house. He never went in the house, period. He never stepped foot inside her house. They don't have any DNA. They don't have any fingerprints. They don't have a footprint. They don't have not one scintilla of evidence showing that he was in the house. They don't have a cell phone ping of him inside, because he never stepped foot in the house. If you didn't go in, there's not going to be evidence of you being in there. Even in this case, there was evidence screaming that Michael Jackson Bolanos is innocent. And yet, and still, we had to sit through. I was like, this is a joke. And honestly, the other interesting part about it was when Brian and I were going through all of the discovery on this case, and all of the people, like the civilian witnesses that the police interviewed, there was honestly, outside of Jeffrey Herbsman, who I still believe murdered Samantha Wall, outside of Jeffrey Herbsman, there was so many other people that fit the bill. It could be this person. Like, the only person it couldn't be was Michael Jackson Bolanos. I'm like, that's the only person it's definitely not. But it could literally be all of these other people. Brett Foreman had a conversation with a woman named Lydia Bates, and Lydia Bates ended up telling the police she felt uncomfortable about the conversation she had with Brett Foreman, because Brett Foreman gave her an entire hypothetical about how he would have killed Samantha Wall if he was the murderer. He would have parked his car at a movie theater. He would have used his credit card to buy a movie ticket. He would have left his cell phone in the car. Like, who says these things? Like, we were like, how the hell did these people get to Michael Jackson Bolanos? Just because he was in the area? That was enough?
Was he the only black guy in the area of all these people in her circle?
Yes. He was the only black person at the entire trial. Of civilian witnesses, he was the only black person that took the stand as a civilian witness, even though he took it in his own defense.